Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Third Angle. In today's video we are going to learn some of the modify commands, how you can use them to make your things easier. I will just create a rectangle and we will try all the commands on the rectangle so it will be easy to understand how to do it. So let's draw a rectangle here. Select a rectangle, start point, say specify opposite corner. I have already mentioned in my previous videos how to draw a rectangle with horizontal and vertical dimension. So hit D, enter, and then it says specify horizontal dimension. I would say 10 inches and then vertical dimension 8. So that's my rectangle. Now let's say if I want to move this rectangle over to this point. So what I have to do is I can go in the modify and then say copy, or let's go step by step. Let's select the copy first. How do I copy it? So click on copy, say specify entities, go right to left, so it will select all the entities which is in the rectangle, in the green rectangle I mean, or in the selection box. Hit enter, say specify from point. I would select this point, and then you see how I am just copying my rectangle. Wherever I want I can just put this rectangle, so let's just put it here right now, right? And you can copy as many times as you want. I just want to copy it once, so I will just hit escape and that cancels my command. So that's our copy command. Let's say I want to just move this rectangle, so go back to modify again, select move, say specify entities, same thing. I will go right to left, will select all the entities in the selection box, hit enter, specify from point, just specify this point, and let's say I want to just move it over here. So that's how we move our entities. The third command is rotate. So if I want to rotate this rectangle, let's just take it back to where it was. So I just hit Ctrl Z. Now again I will go back to modify, select rotate. It again asks me to specify entities, same thing, enter, specify pivot point. So this will be the point. When you select the point, it will, your whole geometry will start to rotate around this point. So let me just show you. Let's select this point, and as I rotate my line, it just rotate to that pivot point. So let's just say I want to put it around here. I just rotated it 180 degrees, right? Yeah, so hit okay. So that's how I rotated my entity. The next command is mirror. I already showed you in my previous videos, but let's just cover this again. So click on mirror, let's just take it back to where it was first. So Ctrl Z, and that's good. Now if I have already selected mirror once, this icon will show that my mirror command has already been selected. So what I have to do, I don't necessarily need to go in this drop down menu. I can just click on this symbol and it just picks the command which I have previously selected. Specify entities, same thing, enter, and then it says specify start point of the mirror line. So let's say if I want to mirror it against this line, so all I have to do is just click on that point, and let's go in the vertical direction or positive Y direction. Click again, it says delete source entity, specify yes or no. So if I want to delete it, I'll just say Y, enter, so it just deleted my old entity. So that's how you mirror. If you don't want to delete it, the default will be no, so you don't have to do anything. You can just hit enter and your both entities will be there. The next command is scale, but let's just put this one separately. I am going to cover whole video on the scale command, because this command is really important to use when you want to just convert or scale your geometry. Let's say you draw your geometry in millimeters and you want to change it into inches, or you draw it in inches and you now want to change it to millimeters. So this is very powerful tool and I use it all the time. I would highly recommend you guys to use this command, but we'll just cover this command separately in the next video. So stay tuned guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you like my video and thank you for watching.